Welcome to another day where I'm going to share the things which I learned one day back. So let's start with the thing which I put my emphasis on, and I'll be urging you to also take notice of it is improve upon your communication skills, because the way you communicate is going to influence the people sitting in front of you. Let's say you are going to communicate or come up with an idea and you are going to present it somewhere. So when you have proper communication skills or you know how to communicate, you are going to speak right on the topic, not speaking somewhat deviating from the line, this side that side, where your point making isn't clear, and it also makes the audience pretty much confused that what is going to convey. Obviously, I'm talking about the speaker. So improve upon your communication skills. uh, Having better communication skills will help you get more opportunities in the future, uh, to pitch your services very in a perfect way, and also help you in scaling to the heights or taking the company which you are or the job. It can work in any space. Like let's say you are having some relationships. So there also having better communication skill will help you in the longer run. There are a lot of things to speak about. The benefits of having good communication skills. Now, it is for the first time that you are going to speak in front of audience. Let's say, so there might be some fear within you that how these people are going to think about you once you have completed the speech. So one tip which I would like to share upon you is just do the homework before you are going to deliver something. Know what your audience has come to listen about, what are their backgrounds, and also uh, what is their education level. So once you have figured these things out, then it will be very much easier for you to convey what you want to convey, because you will be speaking for them, not only for you. Because ultimately everyone has gathered there to gain something out for them, not just they have come to see you. Because until and unless you have not built that connection by speaking something for them, it is not going to help you in the longer run, and people will be going to forget you. So speak for the audience. Do the research before preparing your content for delivering those speech. This will help you and also build a connection in the future. So this was one tip for getting your communication pretty much right when going for public speaking. So I'm also in the process of learning certain tips and techniques in going and working on my communication skills in the longer run, and also is helping me for keeping me aligned towards my goal of becoming a rupee millionaire by the end of this year, that is 2021. So I will see you along with me, progressing along, making yourself one at least 1% better, and you are going to see a massive change within you when you when the year ends, and you will be pretty much thankful that I worked upon myself and helped me, which has helped me in the longer run. So we'll come again with tomorrow with another video, another learnings which I will be having today. And I'm not afraid of sharing anything, because I don't believe in competition with others. I believe in competition with myself, where I see myself in the longer run. I am always competing with that. So we'll see you again and we'll share my learnings tomorrow again. Bye bye for today.